talk to me, guys, about technology and the role that technology can play in sort of making this all happen. I mean, I gather you still need somebody to look at the artichoke, the berries, the bananas, the potatoes, the tomatoes, and to say which something's good or bad. But I would imagine at this time, I mean, Don, you said you're as much a technology company as a food company. How do you employ technology to sort of raise the bar in terms of what you're able to offer? James?
Yeah, well,
Go
yeah,
ahead.
there's a lot. I mean, digital processing is just increasingly powerful, right? And so we do a lot of the things that I'm sure Tony and James companies do on receiving and tracking and lot coding and all that. We're actually looking even more and more into AI technologies. It's actually an interesting article this week, and I think it was in the New York Times about that and how the role of inspectors is large. I'm using inspectors as examples. Largely kind of this mundane, repetitive, but at some point there's that judgment. And so, can we bring technology to help with that judgment? And that gets maybe centers around a blemish or something like that. And so, we're looking at different, developing different tools that we can bring that even more digitized and connect that even better throughout our system.
Actually, sorry for interrupting.
Let's go.
That is, our Insights platform, which is used broadly in the retail industry. Tony mentioned Ahold Delhaize, Aldi, Meijer. Thank you, Fresh Time, James. We have literally millions and millions, if not billions, of images of high quality produce and poor quality produce. And what does anthracnose in lettuce looks like? What does tipburn look like in romaine lettuce? And what that is leading us to is, with all this huge library of images, at some point we'll be able to take an image of a product coming in, regardless if it's strawberries or if it's peaches, and we'll be able to say, on the basis of our image library, you may have 3% decay, you may have a condition defect on 2% of this, and it literally will make this whole inspection thing much faster and more efficient and more consistent.